Generators have a defined sacral center, and they are designed to respond to life with steady life force energy. Generators are built to work, and they thrive when they love what they are doing.
Instead of chasing, generators are meant to set an intention and wait for something in the outer world to show up for them to respond to. Their gut answers come through the sacral with simple yes or no responses, often felt as or
Generators are great at mastering things because their energy grows stronger when they stay with what lights them up.
When a generator gets bored with learning, it can mean a new opportunity is on the way, and it may be time to set an intention for what comes next. When a generator is not sleeping well, movement and exercise can help wear out the sacral so the body can rest deeply. Satisfaction comes when generators use their energy on what they love and follow their sacral response. Frustration is a sign that a generator is not listening to their sacral, and when they return to what feels right, they come back into alignment.